You are Mirara. What's your name?
Mirara.
Miranda Suarez.
A few moments later.
As what? Me no need thugs round me, no. Me need game changers and positive motivators around.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Action.
As what? Me no need gun runners around me. Me no need thugs.
Action.
Lies are made up of sections of
Hey, Mikey Bloopers. Action.
That's the first lie. If we do this, that would be a beneficial, mutually beneficial. Mutual. Welcome to Bamboo Oasis, 9 Colliston Drive, where you can have weddings, bridal parties, baby showers, regular parties. You can even have outdoor events. It's a place for everyone, and you should come and check it out. If you take a look around, guys, walk with me. This is gorgeous. A running waterfall, right? And you can see we have a bar ready for you. This venue is in the heart of Kingston, off Hagley Park Road, 9 Colliston Drive, Bamboo Oasis, the place to be where Marcus Wallace is always at.